Hey everybody, and thanks for watching another Middlesex tree video. This video was shot on December 15th. Christmas is approaching, and we hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. This video was shot on Boston Post Road in East Lyme. Again, here we are going to a house that just has too many dead trees hanging around it, and one tree that is hanging over some power lines. Watch us clean it up. And here we are mid-morning making good headway on this job as Derek and Bruce trying to come up with a plan for the next group of trees. Let's do a little FPV cruise over the property, if you will. You can see that this property is surrounded by thick woods, and there are a lot of trees that are on the grounds of the property. Several of them are not healthy. They are trees that could fall unannounced over the next few years. As we make our way into the backyard, you'll see a lot of trees that are already on the ground, so let's join up with Derek, who was wearing the GoPro on his helmet, so we can get the first-person perspective of all these trees and how we got them on the ground.